Hello kids, welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, today we are going to learn about comparing different numbers. Today's topic is comparing different numbers. How to compare two numbers? Compare 8 and 13. You have to compare 8 and 13. Okay, for this, first we place these numbers in the place value chart. For this, first we place these numbers in the place value chart. Ones, tens, ones, tens. The number 8 has only 8 ones. Here 8 ones and 30. How many tens and how many ones? Only 1, 10 and only 1, 10 and 3 ones. From this, we can see that the number 8 has only 1 digit. The number 8 has only 1 digit and the number 13 has 2 digit. Here we can see that the number 8 has only 1 digit and 13 has 1, 2 digit. Number with more number of digit is the biggest number. Number with more number of digit is the biggest number when compared to other numbers. So we can say that 13 is the biggest number because 13 has 2 digits and 8 has only 1 digit. So we can say that 13 is the bigger number. Another example, compare 35 and 82. Compare 35 and 82, which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. For this, first we place these numbers in the place value chart. Ones, tens. How many tens in the number 35? There are 3 tens. 3 tens and 5 ones. Ones, tens. How many ones? The number 82 have 2 ones and 8 tens. From this, we can see that the number 35 and 82 have 2 digits. Each number has 2 digits. So, we move another method. First, we compare the digits in the tens place. The number 35, the digits in the tens place is 3 and the number 82, the digits in the ones place is 8. Which is bigger? 3 or 8? We know that 8 is the biggest number. So, we can say that 82 is the biggest number. The number with more tens is the biggest number. Here we can see that only 3 tens and here we can see that 8 tens. So, the number with more tens is the biggest number. So, we can say that 82 is the biggest number. Another example. 23 and 29. You have to find which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. For this, first we place this number in the place value chart. How many tens and how many ones in the number 23? Yes, 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. The number 29 has 2 tens and 9 ones. Look here. Here we can see that each number has 2 digits. The number 23 has 2 digits 1, 2 and 29 has 2 digits 1, 2. And the digits in the tens place are also same. Here the digits in the tens place are 2. The number 23, the digits in the tens place are 2 and 29 also the digits in the tens place is 2. So we can say, so we move to the another digit, that is the digits in the tens place. Now we move to the another digit, that is the digits in the ones place. Compare the digits in the ones place. 23, we can see that the digits in the ones place is 3 and 29, the digits in the ones place is 9. So which is the greatest number? 3 or 9? 3 or 9? We know that 9 is the biggest number. So we can say that 29 is the biggest number. 29 is the biggest number. To find 23 and 29, first we place the number in the place value chart. Then check how many digits in each number. We can see that the 23 and 29 has 2 digits. So we move another method. We compare the digits in the tens place. But here the digits in the tens place are also same. So we move to the next place. That is the digits in the ones place. We check the digits in the ones place. Here the digits in the ones place is 3 and 29. The digits in the ones place is 9. So we check which is greater. We know that 9 is the biggest number. So we can say that 29 is the biggest number. Another example. 42 and 97. 42 and 97. Compare 42 and 97. From this, find which is the greatest and which is the smallest number. For this, first we place the digits in the place value chart. How many tens? 4 tens and 2 ones. Here we can see that 7 ones and 9 tens. 42 has 2 digits and 97 also has 2 digits. So we check the digits in the tens place. Here we can see that in 42 the digits in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 4 and 97 the digits in the tens place is 9. We can see that 9 is the biggest number. The number with the more number of 10 is the biggest number. Here only 4 tens and here 9 tens. So which is the greatest number? 97. 97 is the greatest number and 42 is the smallest number. Okay, I hope you understood how to find the biggest and smallest number. Next, another section. Today we are learn about less than sign, greater than sign and equal to sign. Less than sign, greater than sign and equal to sign. Look here. This is the less than sign and the greater than sign is equal to sign. We draw 2 lines. This is the less than sign, this is the greater than sign and this is the equal to sign. Look here, this is an alligator. Here we can connect our less than sign and greater than sign to this alligator's mouth. Look here, this less than sign is look like this alligator mouth. And the greater sign, how to compare the greater than sign? Look here, our greater than sign is looks like this alligator mouth. So next, this alligator loves to eat bigger number. This alligator loves to eat bigger number. From this, students 1 and 5. The alligator will loves to eat bigger number. From these numbers, students tell me which number will alligator eat? The alligator will eat only bigger number. From these numbers, which is the biggest number? Yes, we know that 5 is the biggest number. So, we place the alligator's mouth here. The open mouth is always facing the bigger number. The alligator's open mouth is always facing the bigger number. Here, the bigger number is 5. So, the open mouth is always facing the bigger number and the pointed end. This is the pointed end and the pointed end always towards the smallest number. Pointed end always towards the smallest number. Okay, we can check another example. 2 and 1. From these numbers, which number will alligator eat? We know that the alligator loves to eat the biggest number. From this, we know that which is the greatest number? We know that 2 is the greatest number. So we place the alligator's open mouth to the open mouth facing the biggest number. Here the biggest number is 2. So we place the alligator's open mouth towards the biggest number and the pointed end. This is the pointed end. Pointed end always towards the smallest number. Another example. 29 and 47. From this, which is the greatest number? Look here. Here we can see that 2 tens and 9 months. Here we can see that 4 tens and 7 months. We know that the number with more tens is the biggest number. Here 4 tens and here 2 tens. So this is the greatest number. The alligator loves to eat the biggest number. So we place the alligator's mouth towards the open mouth towards the number 47. This is the biggest number. 29 is the smallest number. So the pointed end towards 29. Okay. Okay, let us do some problems. Compare using less than, greater than or equal to sign. This read as less than. This read as less than and this read as greater than and this read as equal. Okay. Compare 28 and 34. We use these signs. Which is the greatest number? 28 or 34? We can see that there are 3 tens and 2 ones. The number with more tens is the biggest number. So 34 is the biggest number. So we place the open mouth towards the biggest number, that is 34. Okay, next 75 and 45. 75 and 45. From this we can see that 75 there are 7 tens and 5 ones. 45 there are 4 tens and 5 ones. So here 7 tens. So 75 is the biggest number. So we place the open mouth towards the number 75. Next 99 and 12. Which is the greatest number? 99 or 12? Yes, 99. So we place the open mouth towards the greatest number. This read as 92 greater than 12. This read as 92 greater than 12. Another example, 11 and 18. 11 and 18. We know that 18 is the greatest number. So we place the open mouth towards the biggest number. This read as 11 less than 18. The pointed end always towards the smallest number. This read as 11 less than 18. 11 less than 18. Next 65 and 55. 6 tens and here 6 tens and here 5 tens. We know that the number with more tens is the biggest number. So we can say that 65 is the biggest number. So we place the open mouth towards the biggest number. So we can say that 65 greater than 55. 65 greater than 55. Another example, 25. Here we can see that 2 tens and 5 ones. Here also 2 tens and 5 ones. So we can say that 25 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Okay, this is 28 less than 34. 28 less than 34. 75 greater than 45. 99 greater than 12. 11 less than 18. 65 greater than 55. 25 is equal to 25. Okay. Okay children, please do. Let us try 2.5 question number 1, 2 and 3. Let us try 2.5 question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Thank you.